In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Gravity Form to Elementor. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. I am demonstrating on a demo site, but the process is the same on a live site. First, make sure that you have installed the Gravity Forms plugin. Once installed, you will see Forms listed in the left-hand side menu. Click on Forms to view all of the forms you've created. In this example, I only have 2 forms. Click on the form that you would like to add to your website. Make sure that you configure the form properly within the Gravity Form settings, since how it looks here will be reflected on your Elementor page. Once your form is finalized, head back to the left-hand side menu and click on Pages. Hover your mouse over the page where you want to insert the form, and then select Edit with Elementor. Once you're in the Elementor editor, look to the left-hand side panel and begin minimizing the different sections to make it easier to navigate. You might minimize Layout, then Basic, then Pro, and so on. Keep scrolling down until you find the WordPress section. Scroll down on this section and you'll see the Form block, which has been added by Gravity Forms. Drag and drop this form block onto the page where you want your form to appear. Next, look to the left-hand side menu again and click on the Select a Form drop-down. This will display all the forms you've created. Since I had only 2, they both appear here. Select the form you want to use. You can also enter a title for the form and choose whether or not to display the original name of form by enabling or disabling the option. Once everything looks good, click on Publish at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You can preview the changes by clicking the eye icon in the upper right-hand corner. When you view the page, you'll see that your Gravity Form has been embedded successfully into your Elementor page. And this is how you can add a Gravity Form to Elementor.